Hi everyone, it's me Sal from Mummy Sloan Planner Co. And this week I will be planning for the week of May 13th through May 19th. And this week the theme is going to be garden. And I am using these two happy planner books that I've had for a while that will go perfect for this theme. And this week I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using wax paper because I will be creating clusters, and it's easier for me to create clusters using wax paper because it's really easy to position the stickers and to actually create the clusters. And when I'm done, I could just lift it up off the wax paper and lay it down on the actual spread. So right here I'm just flipping through the book looking for some cute stickers in this book to start my first cluster. Ta-da! Here's my first cluster for Monday. I think it came out really cute with the bird sitting up there at the top. What do you think? So this video is part of the weekly YouTube collab loop group that is hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. I'll go ahead and link her socials down below in the description. And always thank you, Lisa Marie, for all your hard work and effort in hosting these loop groups for all of us. So if you're not familiar with how the loop group works, or if this is your first time, what I will do is I will go ahead and link the next video that is part of the loop group in the description. So once you finish my video, you can go ahead in the description, click on the link, you'll go to the next video, and then in that video the link to the next creator will also be in her description. And it'll just continue until you either get back to my video or you'll get back to the video that you had begun with. So I ended up creating a cluster for each day of the week, and I used some days of the week stickers that I had made to label each one of the clusters just to keep me on track.